Hey besties, come pack with me right here in Jamaica while I prepare some gifts to take to St. Elizabeth. As you know, Hurricane Melissa damaged a lot of houses, and I'm still receiving email through my Grace Hamilton Foundation that, it's Christmas. People still are sleeping, in shelters. People still need beds and mattress and different supplies. So I decided to rent a few trucks again and head on down to St. Elizabeth just to make a few family comfortable this Christmas. A lot of people been emailing. They wanted stove. They didn't have anywhere to prepare their food. I decided to pack toys because it's Christmas, taking care of babies, put together like so many different things. We have remote control car for the boys, them. We have things for the girls, them. We have all kind of different things, different ages. Cyber truck over here. So we have Wolipa Dali, we have Wolipa knickknacks here and there. And of course, spice is on our way. Santa Claus is coming to town. Very nice, man. Very nice, man. How you pocket pick? Which one you buy? You get 2 water.